Hi everyone, here we've got CUBOT R15 Pro, and let me share with you how to manage Google account in this device. So how to add the Google account and then how to remove it. So firstly, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll until you will find the account section. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on add account, because as you can see we have no accounts added. And now let's tap on Google. Make sure that you're connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet source, because the internet connection is required. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Okay, let's tap on next. Here I have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got the Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can tap on it and read all the info. So let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so let's tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can remove it if you want, and all you have to do right now is simply tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. And as you can see, it immediately disappears. So actually that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your CUBOT R15 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.